Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can screen share on YouTube Live. So first step, you need to download OBS Studio, click on plus and add the scene, and once you added the scene you need to come on to the sources, click on plus and add the display capture. As you can see, I already added. Then you need to click the right mouse cursor and here you can see transform, and you simply need to click on fit to screen. So once you complete that step, you simply need to come on to the YouTube. So search for the YouTube and click on YouTube, and you need to come on to your channel. So once you are on your channel, you simply need to click on the plus icon, create, and here you can see three options. You simply need to click on go live. So once you are on that screen, click on stream. So we can do this later, and here is the stream key. You simply need to copy that, go back, open OBS Studio, go on to the settings tab, go on to the stream, select YouTube, primary YouTube ingest server, click on use stream key, change that, paste that key, click on apply and OK. Once you done that, the process is complete, and this is the process how you can screen share on YouTube Live. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.